We have some new information, breaking news to share with you as we now monitor the number of COVID-19 cases and deaths statewide. The Department of Health is now confirming 6 deaths in Dougherty County. That is up from 4 that they had announced to us about noon today. Dougherty County's confirmed cases had a significant growth today, from 16 to 38 confirmed cases, and now we can confirm 6 deaths. This is a county of a population around 91,000, so it is a high number of cases compared to the population of the county. There had been 2 funerals in that county that the state health department says they can tie to 8 cases. The Department of Health and the CDC is now sending a team of epidemiologists to investigate the growing number of cases. Again, that grew to 38 cases today. If you do a comparison, Fulton has 79 cases. They have 1.1 million people in the population of the Fulton County area. Dougherty has 91,000. Officials say the initial focus is going to be on infections at Phoebe Putney Hospital, as well as long-term care facilities. Earlier today, the state confirmed a total of 13 deaths statewide. We're now working to confirm if these 6 deaths in Dougherty County were included in that number 13. We'll let you know as we get more context for all of those numbers.